Auto Fanatic CT coming at you with an exciting video. How you guys doing today? Happy Sunday. It's a beautiful day here in Long Island. Almost about 60 degrees. I'm just enjoying this weather, man. I'll take whatever I can get. I'm loving it, man. It's just been a rough winter. I know we haven't got a lot of snow, but it's been cold, and to be quite honest with you, I'm over it. Let's get to the point of the video. So I was on bimmerpost the other day, just kind of, strolling around and clicking on different things. I'm sure a lot of you guys do the same thing. And I came across this gentleman that said he was selling stickers for the inside of the G20 M340. I'm like, what is this? So I click on it and I start reading. I'm a little skeptical about it, but the pictures looked incredible. And I said, you know what? Let me give it a shot. I got to give this guy a lot of credit. He gave me 2 sets of stickers. One, if you end up replacing this with the flip up, there's like a little coin kind of holder that you could switch up over here, and he gave me 2 different style stickers. Let me show you what they look like right here. They're actually really great quality. So this would be the one with the coin holder, and then this would be the one that just comes with your car. So literally it would just kind of sit there, and I thought it was really nice and clean looking. It didn't look tacky at all. And you know what, I am just over the moon about this. I'm excited. It's the small things that make a big difference. Like I told you guys, I always try to do something a little bit different. I hate following the pack. Sometimes there's not much you can do because we're limited in terms of upgrades and things, but I thought this was a nice little upgrade. Very cost effective, inexpensive, and I have to say the gentleman that sold it to me, I'll put his name in the description if you guys want to hit him up and let him know that Auto Fanatic CT sent you. And also, I believe my handle on the bimmerpost I'll put in the description as well, so you can kind of let him know. There's nothing in it for me. I paid for these things, and I'll tell you, I believe it was $10 shipped, and it's almost like a vinyl. It's nice. It's really clean. It's really nice. And again, I don't mind sharing with you what I'm doing, and if you want to do it, just go ahead and do it. It's fine with me. Some people like to hide where they get their upgrades from and things of that nature. Now, I did tell you I'm getting modifications. This is not a modification. This is just a nice little touch to the interior. I thought it would be something different. And again, it's going to go right over here. It's going to fit perfectly. And, I'm going to, with a little bit of Auto Fanatic CT magic, the next clip, you're going to see it all done. Boom, just like that. Auto Fanatic CT magic. What do you guys think? I'm loving it, actually. Again, I needed both hands to kind of put this on and just take my time to line it up real quick. But I will tell you, it's a really nice, flexible vinyl, and it goes on. I say sticker, but I want you guys thinking it's some cheap. It's a vinyl. It looks so good on here. I'm really liking it. It reminds me of the G80 M3. They have that little M3 logo right in the shifter area. I think it looks nice. What a nice little touch to the interior, because these blank spots right here kind of throw me off. I am thinking about maybe switching that up to make it that little coin holder, but for now this kind of satisfies my needs. And you know what, I'm very happy. I have to say, I'm going to reach out to the gentleman and let him know, incredible job. And come on guys, look, I don't even know what I'm going to do. Either way, I have some extras just in case this one ends up going bad if I'm cleaning it, or I don't know what the long term is going to be like when I'm cleaning the interior of the car. But to be honest with you, it's very durable feeling. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a quick one. Much love from Long Island to Auto Fanatic CT. For all my subscribers out there, I just want to say thank you. We reached the 600 subscribers. We're at about 612 now. We're on the road to 700. Who's going to be the 700 subscriber, guys? Let me know. Let me know who, if you think it's going to be. I guess we'll never know who it's going to be because they haven't subscribed yet. But either way, tell your friends. Who knows? Maybe it could be one of your friends. And again, I truly appreciate everything. Again, it's a beautiful day here in Long Island, and I'm off from work, and I'm just enjoying life. All right, I took down in the backyard, I took down a swing set, this morning. Kind of crazy. We got people with dogs over here. Where my dogs at? Where my dogs at? Fighting. Everyone's getting aggressive. Weather's starting to get hot. Either way, guys, love you all. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Quick and easy. Doesn't cost a thing. Subscribe. Hit the bell notification. Throw me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Does this look good? Does it look tacky? Would you do it? Would you not do it? What do you think? How do you think it's going to hold up? I'm interested in your thoughts. Either way, check out the description, guys, because I do want to give this guy some accolades. I want to throw out the shout out to him. And again, I paid for this fully. This wasn't given to me. This is just a forum member on bimmerpost, and I gotta be honest with you. This guy's awesome. He did a great job. Look at that. Thank you guys for watching. Talk to you later. We out.